Hi, welcome to a new episode of Expose Yourself, brought to you by Godox Indonesia. Today's video is going to be a bit different. Today I'm going to teach Bella. Say hi.
Hi.
Bella. She's normally the model, but I'm getting lazy as I'm getting her to shoot instead of me. Godox Indonesia recently sent me the Godox AD100 Pro in pink. Why? Ask them. Basically, the AD100 Pro, in my opinion, is one of the best ways that you can go into flash photography, off-camera flash photography. Or we tried filming outdoors. Here's a proof. Hi, welcome to Expose Yourself. We got kicked out, so fuck you. One of the more important things that a studio photographer is required to know is how to take proper headshots. So I'm going to run through the easiest lighting scheme. All you need is one flash. And yeah, we're going to take photographs like that. So I'm going to walk Bella through what I normally do during a standard photography session. And yeah, let's see how she does. So before we talk about lighting, before we even talk about where to place the flash and stuff, let's talk about composition. Composition, Bella, you see these three lines?
Yes.
Dividing the frame?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the rule of thirds. It's a basic composition guideline where it will keep the frame balance and stuff like that. In portrait photography, what I like to do is to line the eye of the model with this line over here, with this top line over here. So it'll give you the sort of like good headroom, you know.
Like this?
Yeah, like that. Something like that.
Okay.
It's easy enough, isn't it? Right. In studio photography, what I like to do is to make sure the ambient light doesn't affect the exposures just from the flash. So try to take a picture now. It's black, completely dark. Why? That's because I haven't turned on the flash yet. So what I've done is I've set up the AD100 Pro in a 80 centimeter softbox with a silver reflector facing upwards, just to fill in the shadows for our model, Farron, today. She normally helps out in makeup and stuff, and because I have no other friends, she has to do it. Now, let's try to turn on the flash. So I've put the flash in TTL mode. The AD100 Pro has this mode that it will just set the power automatically for you. It's quick and easy. Now, I'm going to remove the reflector first. Now, try to take a picture. Okay. That's a good picture, isn't it? Let's see what it looks like. But here's the problem. Do you see the shadows underneath her eyes?
Yeah.
Dark shadows underneath her eyes and stuff like that?
Yeah.
Yeah? This is okay for a moody sort of picture if you like it. It's okay. But then if you want to lift the shadows, all you need to do is to take a reflector and put it right opposite the light, shining up slightly to her face. Now, try to take another picture.
Okay. Two and three.
Try to focus a bit. Focus. Half press. Yes. Half press. Nice. If you compare both pictures, if you compare this picture with the other one, there's less shadows, there's more highlights, and you get this sort of like beautiful catch light in her eyes from the reflector itself. Okay, that's it. I've taught you my job in about 5 minutes. I can go retire now. Just take photographs. Good luck. Thanks to what is to one of the things that I asked you, which side do you prefer? So yeah, as you can see, photography is not difficult. off-camera flash is not difficult, especially when you have the TTL technology nowadays, so you don't have to set the flash power. All you have to do is point the camera at the right direction. Now, what you want to try to do is to basically point the camera at the right direction, basically. That way. Make sure it's in focus, take photographs. Literally took, what, 5-10 minutes? And you're a photographer now.
Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. Right, so well done. I'll see you in the next one where I'll kick her back into the frame because I still want my job. All right, bye.